Noise from duct expansion and contraction can seriously mess with your peace at home, but there are some easy fixes you can try yourself to quiet things down. So, first off, adding insulation around your ducts is a solid move because it helps absorb the sounds caused by the metal expanding or contracting when the air heats up or cools down. You want to grab some foam or fiberglass insulation and wrap it around the noisy sections, making sure it's snug but not squished too tight. Another slick trick is to install flexible connectors between the rigid duct pieces. These little guys act like shock absorbers for the metal, cutting down on that banging noise. Don't forget to check for loose screws or joints too, since tightening those can stop rattling right away. If your ducts run through the attic or crawl space, putting insulation in those spots can also help reduce the echo of the noise. Sometimes, just adding a layer of duct liner inside the ductwork can lower vibration sounds, and it's not too hard to do if you're comfy with a bit of DIY. Lastly, make sure your HVAC system isn't working harder than it should because that can cause more intense expansion noises. Clean or replace filters regularly to keep airflow smooth. One of the biggest mistakes people make with duct noise is ignoring loose duct connections, which just lets sounds bounce around and get louder. Fixing this means checking every joint and tightening or resealing with mastic or foil tape. Another common problem is skipping insulation on ducts that run through unconditioned spaces like basements or attics. Adding proper insulation here seriously cuts down noise and energy loss. The third issue is using rigid ducting without any flexible connectors. Adding these connectors at key points absorbs movement and stops that annoying clanking sound that drives everyone nuts. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot if you're looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to home improvements like duct noise fixes. Plus, it's super helpful for contractors too because it connects them with homeowners ready to get work done, making both sides happy and stress-free.